Hello, in this project we are going to learn how to use Arduino project and the temperature sensor and programming. So first we will take the Arduino Uno microcontroller board, the breadboard. You can take mini breadboard, then one red LED, then DHT11 temperature sensor module, male to male jumper wires, then male female jumper wires also. Now start making connections as per the circuit diagram. Let's take the Arduino Uno and the breadboard, DHT11 temperature sensor. It has 3 pins. This is a module basically. It has all the resistors also on the board. So the first pin, we are going to connect the female jumper cables. So this green pin is a digital signal pin. We are going to connect it to pin number 11 onto the Arduino board. Then we will connect this pin to the positive signal, that is the VCC pin on the breadboard, and this blue jumper wire onto the ground connection from the breadboard. So let us connect these common VCC and ground connections from the breadboard to the jumper to the Arduino Uno through the jumper cables. So you need to make sure that you are checking the circuit diagram properly. Now let's take the LED. Now connect the negative terminal of the LED, which is the short leg, onto the common negative terminal, and the positive terminal of the LED to be inserted onto one of the pins onto the breadboard, one of the holes on the breadboard, and let us give that positive terminal connection of the LED to digital pin number 3 on the Arduino board. So that is going to be the signal pin of the LED. So this completes the circuit. You have to check the circuit properly. Now let's take the Arduino Uno cable, connect the Arduino Uno cable to the USB port of the laptop. Make sure you check the circuit before making this connection. Now let's go and open the Arduino IDE software and then upload this program. Select the Arduino Uno board and then the port as COM5 or whichever port you are connecting the USB cable to, and then compile the sketch and upload. After compiling is done, then do upload. Uploading is done, and you can see on the serial monitor below the temperature and the humidity readings started coming up. Yes, you can use the hot air gun carefully if you have in the lab, or you can also use some other you can use the candle or any other device to heat up the temperature sensor. Don't touch any of those lamp or the soldering gun to the sensor. Now you can see the temperature increasing. Now let's see, keeping some distance from the temperature sensor, we are holding the hot soldering gun so that the air around the temperature sensor that is becoming hot and the temperature is rising you can check that into the serial monitor, and as the temperature rises above the threshold value that we have put up into the program, the red LED should turn on. Yeah, the red LED has turned on. Let us keep that hot soldering gun aside carefully into the soldering stand, and then just blow the cold air or keep it in front of the fan to allow it to cool down. And as the temperature drops below the threshold value, the LED will turn off automatically. So that is how this program and that is how this project works. So you can use buzzer or you can use any other devices in place of the red LED. You can use multiple LEDs as well. If the temperature is below certain limit, you can use green LED. If it rises above certain limit, you can use the red LED. Now it has dropped down because the temperature is reduced below the threshold value. Thank you.